Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica J. If you're new here, I do lifestyle videos, home decor videos, so if that interests you in any way, please subscribe. And to my returning subscribers, hello, how are you guys doing? So today we have an exciting video. You guys know I love my home goods. So we're gonna go to Homegoods, but in Palm Springs. I'm just excited to go to Palm Springs. It's been a while since I've been there and I was just ready to get away and just head to Palm Springs. So we're doing a shop with me, Homegoods Palm Springs edition, y'all. So if you guys are interested to see what they have at the Palm Springs Homegoods, so we made it to the first location. It is hot out here, but it is really pretty. So I really hope, this is a smaller one, and I don't think they have a TJ Maxx attached to it. So let's just hope they have some interesting things. So let's go. Okay, so we're at the next HomeGoods location. It's a little bit bigger. By the way, I'm gonna return something I bought a week ago or 2 days ago. It's this thing right there here. I think it's extremely gorgeous, but it just isn't doing it for me for where I want to put it. So I'm returning that. I would keep it and just find a place for it later, but I just don't want to do that right now. So that's a little tip if you guys are trying to decorate your home. Just keep your receipts, and if it doesn't work out, you guys can always return it. HomeGoods has a really good return policy, so it's going back. All right, guys, we're back. Oh my gosh. I was so excited, like, just to go there, but the things they had, I was just literally blown away. Let me show you guys what I got. I didn't get a whole lot of stuff because right now I'm being very careful with what I'm getting. So I got some really good quality stuff. Like, I'm just so excited. I got this. It looks like a brain, doesn't it? But it's a petrified wood piece from Indonesia, and it has a little tag and it shows you, like, it gives you a little rundown on what petrified wood is and where it came from. But something I thought was interesting was that it says that this petrified wood is from Indonesia, and it's millions of years old. I like items that have a story to tell. I like different stuff that just has some kind of history or a story to tell behind it. So this is gonna go in my kitchen. I think I'm gonna stick this bowl, like a catch-all bowl that I have in there. But this is just so beautiful. You guys cannot say that that is not beautiful. Look at the detail of that. Look at the detail. And then I love how it really has that very rustic wood look on the side. It's very smooth and shiny in the front. I'm so happy I found this. They had 2 of these, and I really just should have bought them both because I love it so much, but I just picked up one. This one was $14.99. Such a great price for such a beautiful piece. Okay, the next thing I got, I didn't plan, well, actually, you guys remember I showed you guys my red wine glasses and how much I love them. And I'm like, well, maybe I should maybe I should look for white wine glasses, you know, and some of you guys were saying like, it doesn't matter, it just matters on the wine you're drinking. That's all your friends are gonna care about. But I've been having my eye on this. Well, let me show you guys first. I've been having my eye on this style wine glass for a while. And then when I saw it, I was like, oh my gosh, that looks just like the wine glass from Crate & Barrel that I wanted to order. So I picked up this wine glass. I went home to research it. Tell me why this is the one from Crate & Barrel. Literally, like, this is the brand. It's also at West Elm. It's also at Macy's. It's at Williams-Sonoma. It's, where else did I see it at? CB2 maybe? I don't know. So you guys, I paid $24.99 for a set of 4. And these things are usually $14 a piece. I saw that they sold them in a 6-pack for $86, I think. So I basically got this for half the price. And look how gorgeous this glass is. Sexy, y'all. This is a sexy glass. I don't know about you guys, but I want my wine glasses to just be elegant and just be, I don't know, sexy. That's all that's how I can like describe it, just sexy. So yeah, set of 4 for $24. So I also picked up a box of, and it's the same brand, the same SCHOTT Zwiesel brand. And I picked up some sparkling wine or champagne glasses. This is the box. This is also a set of 4, and it's also $24.99. And look, they're just so beautiful. So I don't know, when I think of these, I just think of like the girls coming over and having like a mimosa brunch, or me and my husband having like a little, you know, enjoying our breakfast together, making some mimosas. Like, that's just what I think of when I look at champagne glasses. So that's everything I got. But honestly, I'm just like so excited at my little 3 items that I got. Like, I'm just so excited. So give this video a thumbs up if you really enjoyed the scenery and everything in Palm Springs. Don't forget to subscribe. I have some really cool video ideas coming up. I'm finishing up with some projects and I cannot wait to show you guys. So subscribe so you guys don't miss out on those. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. My name on there is MyJessicaJ. I'm really active on there. I know I post once a week on here, which Mondays are my posting days, every Monday. If you guys want to see what I'm up to throughout the week, then follow me on my Instagram, MyJessicaJ. And I really appreciate each and every one of you guys. We are growing on this channel and you guys are so amazing. I love interacting with you. Please keep leaving comments. I really enjoy talking with you guys. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. You should be here.